Hey guys, Labrada here. If you're over 50 and you want to know whether you can still build muscle, the answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to go over some basic things that you can start doing today to help you build muscle. But first, will you please hit the subscribe button? This is just one of the many videos that you're going to find on this channel that can help you get into the best shape of your life, and I don't want you to miss any of them. So let's talk about building muscle over 50. Weight training can help you improve at virtually any age. So you need to get that "I'm too old" thinking out of your head. If you're willing to do a few simple things consistently, you can build muscle. To build muscle, you have to use resistance training, and that means lifting weights. And here's what you can expect from a good weight training program. Weight training increases muscle volume and density, and that's important because how much muscle you carry is one of the biomarkers of aging. Typically, as we get older, we experience muscle loss, especially if we're sedentary. Age-related muscle loss is called sarcopenia, and quite frankly, it sucks. But the good news is that you can mitigate muscle loss as you get older if you're willing to train with weights and eat right. As we age, we also experience the loss of bone density. Weight training has been shown to improve bone density in individuals and can help to prevent osteoporosis as we age. Keep that in mind. And last but not least, because muscle tissue is metabolically intensive tissue, the more muscle you carry, the more fat you burn even at rest. It keeps your metabolism higher, helps to lower your body fat levels, and it makes you leaner and healthier. Now, here's some things to keep in mind as you embark on your weight training program. Ready? Okay, first and foremost, visit your doctor to make sure that you don't have any pre-existing conditions that might preclude you from engaging in a strenuous exercise program. And once you do get the green light, then it's time to go to the gym. Remember to ease into the weight training program, allowing your body to slowly adapt to the increased loads and activity, and make sure that you learn the proper form for lifting so that you can safely avoid injuries. Your muscles are less elastic as you age, so you have to keep that in mind. You have to take care to properly warm up and stretch. Some people like to hire a personal trainer to show them the basics, and I personally like this idea because it can save you time. But if you want to try it on your own, you can find an excellent weight training program in my book, The Lean Body Promise, which you'll find on leanbody.com. You can also find free how-to exercise and nutrition videos on this channel that will help you get started. Let's look at a second important part of building muscle, and that is nutrition. If you want to build muscle, you're probably going to have to change the way that you eat. What you eat and how much you eat is really going to be important in determining how much muscle you're going to be able to gain. So, what should you eat? There's been lots of books written on this topic, but the basics are this. You want to eat a balanced diet that is high in lean proteins such as chicken, fish, egg whites, low-fat cottage cheese, and even protein shakes. You need protein to build muscle, and you need to include moderate amounts of natural complex carbohydrates for energy to fuel those muscles. Healthy carbohydrates include sweet potatoes, rice, oatmeal, and those kind of things. If you add fruits and vegetables, you're off to the races. A diet of this type naturally takes a little time to get used to, especially if you eat like most people do, which is to say, high in sugar and fat. But I can't emphasize enough the importance of nutrition in your program. You'll find a great muscle-building nutritional program on this channel as well. Along with your nutrition program, you may find that certain supplements and vitamins are helpful. I always recommend a good high-protein shake, such as the Lean Body Ready-to-Drink Shake, as it gives you lots of protein with zero sugar. You'll find Lean Body in most gyms, and you can also find it easily on leanbody.com and on Amazon. You may also want to supplement with a good multivitamin, a tablespoon of fish oil each day, and some added creatine. Now, one more thing you should know. As we get older, testosterone levels decline. Because testosterone is a significant factor in the ability to build muscle, you may want to have your testosterone levels checked by your doctor. And if your levels are on the low end of normal, you may want to do some research into whether testosterone replacement is right for you. Just remember though that there's no substitute for doing the work that you're going to do in the gym and following a healthy lifestyle, which includes good nutrition and rest. If you're disciplined enough to make these things a habit and you do them consistently, you will build muscle. If you've watched this far, you're probably thinking that you want to try this. Just do it. The time is now. Don't put it off another day. Start your program and you'll be on your journey towards lifelong better health and a leaner body. I hope that this helps and points you in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please share it with one other person who could benefit from watching, and please click the subscribe button now. All right, you guys, stay lean, healthy, and strong.